Want to disable location tracking on your iPhone without compromising essential features? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is open up your settings. Now scroll down to privacy and security and tap on that. Select location services to view every app's access. To turn off tracking globally, slide the location services toggle at the top. But note that this also disables Find My iPhone and other system tracking. If you want that, tap on the turn off option. But if you want a more selective approach, leave on this toggle. Now go through the list of the applications over here. Now, if you do not want location access for a certain app such as Instagram, simply select that and then select Never option over here. You can do that for the rest of the applications as well. Next, you want to tap on System Services. Now you can review core functions like Find My Phone, Emergency, SOS, and significant location tracking from here. Slide off any service you do not want to use while leaving essential features enabled. Your changes take effect immediately and you can return anytime to fine-tune which app and services are allowed to use your location. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.